Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Learn with Developer, where we will learn about Java, Spring Boot, databases, and cloud in the simplest way possible. Whether you are a beginner or someone who is switching to backend development, you are in the right place. What is this channel all about? This channel is not about boring theory or complicated diagrams. What you can expect me from on this channel: short and practical tutorials, real-world backend projects, Java plus Spring Boot roadmap for beginners, and also the DevOps tools like Docker, Kafka, deployment, and Kubernetes and all. Now let's move forward to set up your environment to start your journey for Java plus Spring Boot. Tools we need to install: Java 17 or upper version, IntelliJ IDEA, and the Docker. Once you have completed your setup, drop a comment in the comment section so that I know you are ready to move forward. In the next video, we will generate our first Spring Boot project and we will understand the project structure, and then we will understand what each file actually does in the Spring Boot app. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I will be uploading video every day to turn